Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Teens and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the process in solving absolute value inequalities in one variable. Let us recall first the notations used in inequalities. So in this activity, we're going to express the following mathematical sentences into various notations used in inequalities. So for the first mathematical sentence, we have all real numbers greater than 9. Ang gagamitin nating notations ay set builder notation at interval notation. So sabi dito sa number 1, numbers greater than 9. So sa set builder, una we're going to write the open brace and then X and then a vertical line. So numbers greater than 9, yun ay X greater than 9. So paano ba babasahin to? Babasahin to all real numbers X such that X is greater than 9. And then for the interval notation, so gagamit tayo ng parenthesis sa interval notation kasi yung 9 ay hindi kasama dun sa numbers, real numbers. Kasi real numbers greater than 9. So hindi kasama si 9, kaya gagamit tayo ng parenthesis. Pero kapag kasama yung 9, ang gagamitin natin ay bracket. Okay, so here we have all real numbers greater than 9. In number 2, all real numbers less than negative 2, including 2. So, bali ang magiging sagot sa set builder notation, all real numbers X such that X is less than or equal to negative 2. So, all real numbers less than negative 2. Pero may nakalagay na including negative 2. So, meaning kasama ang negative 2 do sa value ni X. Kaya meron tayong X is less than or equal to negative 2. And then for the interval notation, so sabi kasi less than negative 2. Ibig sabihin, all real numbers in the interval notation, all real numbers less than negative 2. And then yung negative 2 kasama sa value ni X. So gagamit tayo dito ng close bracket. Sa infinite, negative infinite, and positive infinite, laging parenthesis ang gagamitin natin. Next, number 3, all real numbers between 1 and 15. So, ang magiging set builder notation natin, all real numbers X such that X is greater than 1 but less than 15. Kasi sabi dito, real numbers between 1 and 15. So, yung X nasa gitna and then yung inequality sign natin ay laging ganito. So, paano babasahin to? X is greater than 1 but less than 15. And then for the interval notation, so we have 1 and 15. So, meron tayo ditong parenthesis kasi hindi kasama yung 1 at yung 15 sa real numbers. Next, number 4, all real numbers between 2 and 8. So, kapag between, yung X ay nasa gitna. Pero meron nakalagay dito including 2. So, we have all real numbers X such that X is greater than or equal to 2 dahil meron nakasulat dito na including 2. And then but less than 8. So, paano ba isusulat ang interval notation? So, ang interval notation, open bracket, 2, and then 8. So, yung 2 kasama sa real numbers, kaya open bracket siya. Yung 8 hindi kasama, kaya gagamit tayo ng parenthesis. Number 5, all real numbers less than 3 or greater than 7. So, ang magiging set builder notation niya ay all real numbers X such that X is less than 3 or x is greater than 7. So, yung magiging interval notation ay all real numbers less than 3 or greater than 7. Ulitin ko, all real numbers less than 3 or greater than 7. Let us discuss now the general rule that we will follow in solving absolute value inequalities. So, if the absolute value inequality is the absolute value of x is less than a, wherein a is greater than 0. So, we have the solution set is x is greater than negative a but less than a. X is greater than negative a but less than a. And then, if the absolute value of x is less than or equal to a, wherein a is greater than 0, so the solution set will be x is greater than or equal to negative a but less than or equal to a. So makikita nyo kapag ang inequality sign ay less than or equal to, so makikita nyo ito yung solution set. Magkamukha lang sila, so magkakaiba lang sila doon sa mga inequality sign nila. Kapag less than, nasa between ang x. And then a yon, so yung nasa left side ay negative. So, negative a, yung nasa right side ay positive a. Next, the absolute value of x is greater than a, wherein a is greater than 0. So, ang magiging solution set ay x is less than negative a or x is greater than a. So, hindi siya kamukha nitong dalawa. So, kapag greater than a, ito yung nasa both end ng interval. So, we have x less than negative a or x greater than a. So, how about if the absolute value of x is greater than or equal to a, wherein a is greater than 0? So, magiging parang ganito siya, magpapalit lang tayo ng inequality sign. So, we have x is less than or equal to negative a or x is greater than or equal to a. And then, how about if the absolute value of x is less than negative a? So, the answer is no solution. Null set. Okay, diba? Napag-aralan natin dun sa absolute value equation, dapat yung value ni c ay positive or 0. Kapag negative yung value ng absolute value of x, so wala talagang solution yan. Next, the absolute value of x is greater than negative a. So, dito, greater than kasi yung inequality sign natin, kaya ang magiging solution ay all real numbers. Ito yung symbol ng real numbers. So, x will be the elements of all real numbers. Tandaan nyo, kapag yung absolute value ng x ay less than negative a, no solution yun. The absolute value of x is greater than negative a, so ang sagot ay all real numbers. Let's have example number 1. Solve the solution set of the absolute value of x is less than 11 using various notations. Ang gagamitin nating notations dito ay yung set builder notation and the interval notation. Okay, so for the solution, the given absolute value inequality is the absolute value of x is less than 11. So, if you're going to use now the general rule, nasaan ba dito yung parang kamukha nito? So, yun ay nandito. So the absolute value of x less than a. So ang magiging solution set niya ay x is greater than negative a but less than a. Okay? So ang magiging value ni a ay 11. So we have yung negative a is negative 11, and then so the symbol less than x and then less than 11 kasi positive a. So we have now the solution is x is greater than negative 11 but less than 11. So in the set builder notation, we have all real numbers x such that x is greater than negative 11 but less than 11. And then in the interval notation, since yung negative 11 at 11 ay hindi kasama sa solution set, so ang gagamitin natin ay parenthesis. So, ito yung magiging interval notation natin. Kukunin lang natin yung value ni negative a at saka ni positive a. So, we have negative 11, 11. So, in the interval notation, the answer is all real numbers between negative 11 and 11. For example, number 2, solve the solution set of the absolute value of 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 9 using various notations. Okay, so using now this general rule, so the symbol is greater than or equal to. So we have here greater than or equal to. The absolute value of x is greater than or equal to a. Ang value ni a ay 9. And ang x natin dito sa given inequality, absolute value inequality ay 2x plus 3. Okay? So, we're going to follow now this rule for the solution set. So, yung x is less than or equal to negative a ay magiging 2x plus 3. So, kokopyahin lang natin to. And then, the symbol will be less than or equal to, and then negative a will be negative 9. Or, so yung x ulit, so that is 2x plus 3. And then ang symbol ay greater than or equal to, and then ang a natin ay 9. Okay? And then next now, we're going to solve for this one, yung una nating inequality. So we have 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to negative. And then we're going to simplify. So kailangan mawala itong positive 3 dito sa left side ng inequality sign. So we're going to add negative 3 to both sides of the equation. So 3 minus 3 will become 0. So, we have now 2x. Ito magiging 0 na to. So, we have 2x is less than or equal to, we're going to copy the inequality sign. And then, negative 9 minus 3 is negative 12. And then, next is we're going to divide the inequality by 2. So, 2x divided by 2 equals x. And then, copy the inequality sign. And then negative 12 divided by 2 equals negative 6. And then for this inequality now, so we have 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 9. So same lang ang gagawin natin. We're going to add negative 3 to both sides of the equation para mawala yung positive 3 dito sa left side. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. So we have simply 2x is greater than or equal to, and then 9 minus 3 equals 6. And then after that, we're going to divide the inequality by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals x. And then greater than or equal to 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So for the set builder notation, ang value ni x dito, x is less than or equal to negative 6. And then the other one, x is greater than or equal to 3. So we have all real numbers of x such that x is less than or equal to negative 6. So dito natin kinuha yon. Or, ito naman yung susunod, x is greater than or equal to 3. Para naman sa interval notation, dahil ang symbol natin ay merong equal to, so ibig sabihin, gagamit tayo ng bracket. Pero kasi nakalagay dito, x is less than negative 6. So meaning, mag-start tayo sa negative infinity. And then, negative 6, and then makikita nyo dito, so bracket ang gagamitin natin. Ibig sabihin nun kasama sa solution ang negative 6. And then we have the union, and then next is 3. Bracket ulit ang gagamitin natin dahil yung inequality sign ay merong equal to. And then the positive infinity. For example, number 3, we're going to solve the solution set of the absolute value of 3x minus 7 is less than 0 using various notation. Okay, so if you're going to look at now the given absolute value inequality, so the absolute value of a number is always greater than or equal to 0. Kaya lang yung symbol natin dito ay less than. So less than 0 meaning ang magiging value ni A ay negative. So, hindi pwede kasi magkaroon ng solution kapag negative yun nandito. So, no value of x satisfy the inequality. So, therefore, our answer in number 3 is x is an element of null set or there is no solution. For example, number 4, solve the solution set of the absolute value of x plus 2 minus 8 is less than 4 using various notations. Okay, so first we're going to simplify the given absolute value inequality. So, kailangan si negative 8 ay aalisin natin sa left side. So, ang gagawin natin, mag-a-add tayo ng 8. Sa both sides ng inequality sign. So, negative 8 plus 8 is 0. Okay? And then, so matitira na lang sa left side ay the absolute value of x plus 2. And then, we're going to copy the inequality sign which is less than. And then, 4 plus 8 equals 12. Bali, ang magiging value ni A ay 12. Okay? So, using now the general rule, so alin ditong rule ang gagamitin natin? Ang magiging inequality natin ay ito. So, the absolute value of x less than A. The absolute value of x less than A. Ang value ni A ay 12. Ang x naman natin dito ay magiging x plus 2. Okay? And then, ang magiging solution set ay ganito. X is greater than negative A but less than A. So, we have ang A natin ay 12. So, ang negative A ay negative 12. And then, the symbol is less than. And then, ano ang X natin? Ang X natin ay X plus 2. And then, less than ulit, ang A natin ay 12. And then next, so we have, kailangan alisin natin yung positive 2 dito, yung plus 2. Ang matitira lang dapat sa gitna ay x. So, ang gagawin natin, mag-a-add tayo ng negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. Yan. So, 2 minus 2 is 0. And then dito, negative 12. Minus 2 is equal to negative 14. And then, the symbol is less than. So, dito, 2 minus 2 is 0. So, we have x na lang. And then, less than 12 minus 2 is 10. So, yung set builder notation natin ay all real numbers x such that, kokopyahin lang natin ito. So, negative 14 and then less than x, less than 10. So, all real numbers x such that x is greater than negative 14 but less than 10. For the interval notation, since ang negative 14 at 10 ay hindi kasama sa solution set, so ang magiging interval notation natin ay negative 14, 10. So, all real numbers between negative 14 and 10. For example, number 5, solve the solution set of 5 minus 2, the absolute value of x plus 4 is less than or equal to negative 7 using various notation. So, kailangan muna nating isimplify yung given absolute value inequalities. Ang kailangang matitira sa left side ay the absolute value of x plus 4. Okay? So, copy muna natin yung given absolute value inequality. So, ang unang gagawin, aalisin natin yung positive 5 sa left side. So, kailangan natin mag-add ng negative 5 to both sides of the inequality sign. And then, simplify natin 5 minus 5 is 0. Kaya ang matitira sa left side ay ito. Negative 2 absolute value of x plus 4. And then copy the inequality sign. And then dito sa right side, negative 7 minus 5 is negative 12. And then next, di ba kailangan ito lang ang matitira, the absolute value of x plus 4. So aalisin natin yung negative 2. So, ang gagawin natin, we will divide the inequality by negative 2. And tandaan nyo, kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng negative number sa inequality, so, etong inequality sign natin ay magpapalit. Kung ito ay less than or equal to, magiging greater than or equal to. Okay. So, we're going to divide now the inequality by negative 2 and then ito nga ay magpapalit. So, magiging greater than or equal to. And then negative 2 divided by negative 2 is equal to 1. Kaya ang matitira na lang ay x, the absolute value of x plus 4. And then copy the inequality sign. And then negative 12 divided by negative 2 is positive 6. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin. Titignan natin ang ating general rule. So, nasaan ba yung may symbol na greater than or equal to? Ayan. So, we have the absolute value of x greater than or equal to a. So, ang magiging solution set natin ay x is less than or equal to negative a or x is greater than or equal to a. So, using now the general rule, so we have, ano kasi yung x natin? So, ang x natin dito ay x plus 4. Yan. And then, we have the inequality sign ng less than or equal to. And then, negative a, ang a natin ay 6. So, ang negative a ay magiging negative 6. And then, or. So, x, again, that is x plus 4. And then, greater than or equal to. And then, a is 6. So, una natin isosolve itong unang inequality. So, we have x plus 4 is less than or equal to negative 6. So, kailangan mawala yung positive 4 or plus 4 dito sa left side. So, we're going to add negative 4 to both sides of the inequality sign. So, 4 minus 4 equals 0. So, matitira na lang ang x and then the inequality sign. Less than or equal to, and then negative 6 minus 4 equals negative 10. And then for the other inequality, we have x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 6. Again, yung plus 4 dito, kailangan natin ilipat sa kabila. So we're going to add negative 4 to both sides of the equation. So dito sa left side, ang matitira ay x na lang. And then the symbol is greater than or equal to. And then 6 minus 4 equals 2. So for the set builder notation, so we have all real numbers x such that x is less than or equal to negative 10. So, dito kinuha yon. Or, x is greater than or equal to 2. So, for the interval notation, since yung negative 10 at 2 ay kasama sa solution set, so gagamit tayo ng bracket. And then, so mauuna ay yung negative infinity and then negative 10. Close bracket. And then the union symbol and then positive 2 and then yung kasunod niya ay positive infinity. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.